Welcome guys to another Unreal Engine video. It's been a while since I've recorded them. I've been busy, but yeah. So in this one we're going to be checking out April's free assets in Unreal Engine 4. I couldn't do it in Unreal Engine 5 because my computer kept crashing whenever I tried to load it, and it takes up like 2 times the amount of storage. Sorry about that. And Unreal Engine 5 just got released, so I still don't trust it. But the first thing we got on our list is... Okay, so if you didn't know that there's free stuff, you just go to the Epic Game Store, Marketplace, free for the month, and there's a whole ton of free stuff. Well, usually like 4 or 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 4 or 5 things each month that are actually a really good deal for free. So the first one we're going to be doing is the Real Food and Coffee Bakery. This took so long to load. I mean, it's really cool actually though. See, if I were to click on these cameras here, I can see, let me full screen this so I can see it better. Oh my god, this is so loud. Okay, if I were to click on this camera right here, you can see that it's giving me like a realistic impression from like tons of different angles. Like here, you can see the coffee and the cushions. From here, you can see the floor. Oh, these views are amazing. From here, you can see the food, the pretzels, the whatever these things are. Don't know the name of it. I think they're biscuits. Yeah, I think they're biscuits. And then over here, some donuts and etc. My computer isn't that bad, and it's actually lagging a lot for this. Like, it's lagging so much, actually. I would not recommend using this in an actual game. Okay, yes, if you're gonna make a small scene or just take a few captures, like if I were to set up a capture from media texture, or a streaming media source, then yes, I would recommend using this to just do a quick capture, and then not in a game though. See, if I hit play, okay. You would need such a high-end PC for this. No, this would give you a horrible gaming experience if you're the player. And this is just one shop. If every single shop were to have something like this, okay, yeah, no. Yes, I would recommend this for rendering and miscellaneous purposes, not for use in an actual game. Maybe just 1 or 2 things, like take an individual donut, put it on the table, you got a nice realism effect. The entire thing of donuts, definitely not. Alright, so let's head on to the next thing. Modular concert stage. Modular concert stage. Okay, these are cool. They're not that laggy, actually. And they give you a good template to actually start building. Okay, if I were to go over here, it's fully playable. You can see that it already has a video streaming setup with this really cool texture that makes it look like it's a projector or just not a very good quality TV screen. Forgot the name of those type. Yeah, if you were to do like a small scene, like a cutscene or something, or maybe just take apart these assets for your individual use. Like, this has some pretty good fences, and the lights are really cool. I think they're animated. Let me just stay still for a moment. Oh yeah, they're animated. That's cool. And you can also see that the shadows bounce nicely off of my feet. There we go. My PC is so loud right now, though. Okay, if I go to the circle stage, it's the same thing, but just in a circle. The only thing that I don't like about this, it doesn't really matter though, is that this doesn't have, nothing's playing from the speakers. I mean, it's so satisfying to just watch the speakers move up and down. But nothing's coming out of them, which I really don't like. I mean, I guess I could just put that in, but it's not this. Okay. And then we have the small stage, which is yet again Just another stage, which I think is very unproportionate. I think, unless it's a really small stage. Because this person's 6 feet tall and like 2 feet wide. It's a really big person. Yeah, unless this is just a really small stage, and it's just completely out of scale. And the last one's the overview, which I believe contains an overview of all the assets. I thought I loaded this before. No. Don't crash on me. Okay. Okay, that was fast. Okay, so we're in it. Yeah, see, it's just an overview of all the assets. Some of these are actually really cool. So yes, I would recommend using individual pieces in the game. Just not too many. Because if you were to build a big stage using these assets, believe that they're actually too high quality. Look at this. Okay. It doesn't look that good, but when you have like 30 speakers pumping out, then your computer's going to really start feeling. Now let's go to the next one. Okay, we have medieval houses. We're doing on time. Not bad. I should probably close that one. Medieval environment. Demo. This was amazing. Not just the houses. Wait until you see it. Not just the houses, but the environment around it is actually incredible. I want to use it in a future game coming up because honestly, I like the environment more than the houses. Like, the houses are really cool, but this environment is just incredible. Look at this. Just look at this. It's optimized mountains. This is so cool. Look, it has like valleys over here with trees and grass. The quality is not even that bad. Like, look at this. Look at this. I mean, it's not dynamic, but that would really make my computer feel it. Okay, and you can even set the background's been optimized because they made the mountains in such a way. Like here, you can see where it ends and starts. You just have to move the mountains around a little bit, and then you can just totally use this in an environment game. And then if I show you the actual houses, which are supposed to be the main highlight of this, but they're actually not. Oh, wait. Is this the wrong demo? Yeah, I believe this is the wrong demo. Where is... The houses should be, like, around here. Yeah, the houses should be around here. I got the wrong demo. Okay. I'll just open that one. Any minute now. Any minute. Now, okay, here we go. If I were to hit play, it's the same environment, but just with houses. Okay, this is actually a really nice rock. Look at this lag. It's not lagging at all. We're running at 60, 30 FPS, something like that. Definitely not 90. This is pretty smooth. Considering how much grass and trees and plants are moving. Okay. This is my favorite part about the houses. Amazing quality, gotta say. And dynamic doors. Look at how satisfying this is. I should honestly just make a video with just doors opening and closing. This satisfying Unreal Engine video. Let me know in the comments if you want to do that. 0 comments, probably. Okay, and then let me just wait. Did I just trap myself? Okay, that's something they probably did fix. Or I just need to be less dumb. Okay. Look at these houses. They're so cool. Look at this staircase. I just love how this map and the houses just incorporate an old medieval theme with the feeling of exploration. Kind of like Skyrim. That's what I love about this. So yeah, I would rate it 10 out of 10. More like 9 out of 10, is that one time I got stuck in the doors. It's still really good. I would totally recommend using it. Is that a camera? Is that a door? What? Wait, did I do something? No, I didn't. Okay. I just hope it I really hope it wasn't like that. I probably moved a door or something. Okay, so now on to the next thing. We got low poly medieval interior. This is cool. I mean, it's low poly, so it's not gonna be like the highest quality. But then it was honestly actually really cool. Everything blends in smoothly with the environment. Everything looks good. The problem is that it has this very specific theme, and if you don't follow the theme, like the mannequin, it looks totally out of context. Look at this. Look at this fire pit. Look at how cool this looks. Okay, if I were to go over here, I should be able to sit down. I think some of the objects I can move around. Oh wait, no, I can't. Look at these paintings. Look at these windows. Look at these floors. Okay, this stone looks so smooth. Yeah, I would recommend using this. If you can somehow, like, find or make a low poly character, they're actually surprisingly hard to make. I've tried making one before. Maybe I'm not the best person to use it. But low poly characters are harder than you would think to make. Because you have to individually create them, and then half the time they don't even work with the default humanoid animation mesh. So you have to make your own mesh, and rig it, and create the animations. They'll probably end up looking really funky. So yeah. I've already got a second map. This is just a tavern. Let's hit play. Alright, look at this. Just a medieval tavern. With like everything you need. Just add some interactables over here. Interactable chairs, interactable beer. Then you got yourself a really cool set. Alright, yeah, I would recommend using that in your game. Really cool. 8 out of 10. I would give them higher if some of this stuff was dynamic and actually reacted to the character. Alright, and now to the next and last one, the modular neighborhood pack. This is nowhere near modular. This took so long to load. I had to preload it like for 2 hours. It wasn't even worth just waiting on my computer and like working on my game or whatever, because I literally couldn't. It took up 100% of my CPU, 100% of my RAM, and like 90% of my memory. Okay, look at this right now. 100% CPU. Compiling shader. I didn't do anything. What shaders do you need? Okay. I gotta rate this though, like a 10 out of 10 for interactive. No, not a 10. I would give it a 9 for interactability. I don't know if that's even a category, but okay, here we go. So, as you can see, I can't interact with like the skateboard or the lamp or the pool table or whatever, which would actually be really cool if I could, but just sadly I can't. And then if I were to go outside, once again, incredibly satisfying doors that actually react to you. Look at this. That is so cool. Not like the other ones that just like trigger an animation or whatever. This one actually uses your player movements. It has like a hinge right here to react to you. That is so cool. Look at these chairs. Oh yeah, this is so realistic. This sort of reminds me of like a GTA set. And then if I were to go over here, the only things that I've found that are interactable are the doors, the chairs, and the best ones, the cars. Okay, here, I'm going to turn down the sound because that's a little bit too loud. There we go. Still think that's going to probably be a little too loud. Let's turn it down there. Okay. Here I am, driving in a car. No! I hate this car so much. It has really funky drifting system. Like if I were to just turn for like a few seconds, then I get caught in a drift and I can't do anything. The car itself can't be damaged. I mean, my eardrums are going to be damaged if I listen to this any longer. The car is fully drivable with a drifting system and some nice reflections. Look at this. Nice matte color. But all the houses are interactable here. Look at this. The doors. Door. 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 Why does the house need this many doors and individual rooms and stuff? Here's a balcony. I think that's a window. And it's even got ambient sounds, which don't matter that much. But they matter to me when I'm writing stuff. So yeah, I would have. Would I recommend using this? No. Yeah, no, definitely not. I would definitely not recommend using this in like your actual scene or whatever. But I would recommend using the individual houses. They're good quality, and the cars. The car and the houses are good quality, but don't just copy this entire set because it is not optimized at all. Alright, so that brings us to the end of our showcase? Yeah, showcase. So, if you guys want to see more Unreal Engine videos, just subscribe, comment, follow my Twitch, YouTube. Well, I haven't streamed in a while, so it's fine. Yeah, thank you so much for almost letting me get 1,000 views on my Instant Terra video. That's cool. So yeah, thanks. Bye.